I have 9 companies for you that are currently hiring, and some are a little different, which is good. I guarantee you some of these you've never seen on YouTube or anywhere else, so I can't wait to dive in. First company is Articulate, looking for a mid-market customer service manager. And let's see, we'll scroll down. Here's obviously what you'll be doing, and then what kind of experience that they are currently looking for. Now, here is the salary range, and let's see. So up to $101,000 a year, which is pretty cool. Now, if this position isn't something that you are currently interested in, if you go to their main careers page, they have a bunch of other positions open. And I'll just scroll here, like engineering positions, and let's see, marketing operations specialists, as well as in sales, product management. Next position is a customer support specialist position with a company called Roadie. And this is a UPS company. So we'll scroll down, and it looks like there will be some phone, email, and text between yourself and potential customers. And then here's a little bit of the job description, as well as they're looking for 2+ years customer service experience. Now, this company offers a ton of benefits, including a monthly work from home stipend, which is pretty cool. And this is huge. 100% company paid health insurance for yourself, 401k. And again, if this is a position that you are currently not looking for, let's go to the main company's website, and we'll be able to see that they are hiring for 2 technology positions as well. Next, we have a customer support specialist position, and here are the functions of the position. Minimum qualification is associate's degree, 0 to 2 years of experience, and then they offer a ton of benefits as well. And the salary for the position is $21 to $23 an hour. Now, this one is cool. This is a position with Dick's Sporting Goods, and it's a golf trusted advisor. And what you'll be doing is conducting 45 minutes virtual golf consultation appointments. And you counsel people and you recommend products and things of that nature. So if you have an interest in golf and stuff about it, this could be the position for you. Qualifications are a bachelor's degree or a high school diploma, 1 to 3 years experience customer service, and the pay is anywhere from $35,000 all the way up to $53,000. Next is a manager position with Sephora, and this is a remote position as well. And here are the duties and responsibilities, and then qualifications. You need 3+ years experience in a contact center leadership, 4 years of leadership experience, as well as 4 years of experience working on operational process improvement projects. And this position pays anywhere from $83,000 all the way up to $111,000. So if you love makeup, it's a great job for you. Next, we have a customer support specialist position with a company called Pulley. And this is in the financial industry. They're looking for 9 to 5 Pacific Standard Time coverage. They're looking for 2 years of experience working in customer support. And then here's more information about the company, specifically the benefits that they offer, as well as the salary is anywhere from $50,000 to $65,000 a year. And again, if this is a position you may not be interested in, Pulley is hiring. They have 10 remote positions open in marketing, engineering, operations. So maybe one of those positions could be for you. Next, we have a company called Ashby, and they actually have 51 open positions. So you can scroll through, and they have a couple levels of customer service as well as obviously other positions. So first we will take a look at this production support specialist position. And here are some things that they are currently looking for. And they go into detail about the interview process. And then the benefits that they offer is unlimited PTO. And this company also offers equity, which is pretty cool. And then the pay for this position is $75,000 to $85,000 a year. Now, another position that they have is a high-touch customer success manager. And this pay is $110,000 to $145,000 a year. And again, you get equity with this position as well. And then here are some of the role requirements. And then, of course, the interview process and what that looks like. And then obviously the same benefits as the position before. Now, this last position is actually a side hustle. This is not an employee type situation. But I thought it was interesting, just something different. So it's starting a litter cleanup service. So what you do is you go around to shopping centers and you ask the landlord if you could clean up their property. Low startup costs, no franchise fees, no expensive equipment. Obviously managed from home, but then you'd have to obviously go out and actually clean the parking lots. But the website is cleanlots.com. And this is a guy that started it. And he got it up to $650,000 a year business for him. And then if you want, you could buy his book to see how he started, which I think is, sells for $80. Yeah, something different. Now, remote jobs are fantastic. They can obviously help you pay the bills. But if you're tired of someone else, another company controlling your income, your schedule, your PTO, and you don't want that fear of ever getting laid off again, maybe you'd be interested in our community. If you have a cell phone Wi-Fi 2 hours a day, you can potentially start to earn commissions like these people. Joel made a $900 sale. Sharon made $300 sale on Sunday. $3,500 in 7 days. And the best part is, if you don't know what to sell, we can help you with that. And if you don't know how to market, you don't know anything about online marketing, you just want something that you can control, click on the link in the description below. And you can watch a free masterclass and decide if it's for you. Now, I create work from home and remote job videos for you every single day. So don't forget to subscribe.